everyone, welcome. My name's Linda and you're in my nookery today where I do my knitting and my crocheting and edit videos and everything else. I hope you're all well. Well, we're here today for the roundup of the hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2022, which I'm doing with Kim from Kim Crochets and Knits, and I have a lot of sock thumbnails at the end of this video, guys. I'm thinking it's about 15, 16, maybe even more. Just bear with me 1 minute. So I just want to quickly mention and say thank you to Amy Knits. She's made 6 pairs of socks this month. Verna Bradshaw, Yarn Arm Sheelagh, Kim Yank, who made her Bear's Baby socks. Then we've got Deborah Mashburn, who crocheted her socks. Knitting Purple, Camper 14, Tina, she crocheted her first socks. De Beauvoir Mariette, she sent in 2 pairs of socks. Ingrid Inspirations, as always, has done a pair. And then we've got Kathy Dahlstrom, who's made 2 pairs of socks. Now, I know I said I was hoping to do 3 pairs of socks this month, but unfortunately I haven't been able to do it because I'm working on my Jam Jar Happiness crochet along blanket, and I'm also doing the Stephen West mystery knit along for this year, my first ever. So I've actually got 2 pairs of socks done, guys. I've got these socks, which are vanilla socks, and the pattern is by Kay, the Crazy Sock Lady. So we've got a pair of those, and I've used is this Vicky? I think I've used Vicky Brown Designs, and then I've used Siobhan Crafts for the cuff and the toe. And then the second pair, I've used Nancy, the Smoke Gets In Your Eyes pattern by Nancy from Knit Sip Happy, and I've used Yarnable for the main sock, and then Siobhan Crafts Neon Pink for the toe and cuff. So we've got 2 pairs of socks. So these are a Christmas present for a friend. The others are for Rick. Next month, I want to show you what I'm going to be doing next month. Next month I'm going to be doing this pattern. So this is from, where's this from? These are from Siobhan Crafts. So this is black with purple, and this is going to be for the cuff and the toe. And I'm actually going to be making Emma from Potter and Bloom Witch Elm socks. So I've got a patterned sock, and then I'm going to be making vanilla socks, but just plain, for a man. This is for my best friend's boyfriend, and I'm using Yorkshire Spinners Signature 4-ply, and it's 75% wool, 25% nylon, and the colour is Tristan. So they're going to be a vanilla sock, but a male sock, so they're going to be very, very big, guys. So yeah, guys, so they're the socks for the for November. Fingers crossed I get them done. And please check out my description box for all those lovely ladies who've sent in their socks to me this month, and please watch to the end of the video and see what they've created. I'm just totally blown away this month by the amount of people that have sent me photographs of their socks. So as I said before, next year I'm still going to be doing the hashtag Sock It To Me Challenge 2023. but I'll be doing it on my own, and I will only, because there's only me this time, guys, what I want for you guys is, if you want to take part, you have to email me. I'm not going to take them from Facebook or Instagram or wherever, because it's such a lot of work for me to go trawling through everything, and I've got a busy schedule, as you all know. So if you want your socks to become part of the roundup at the end of every month, which will be a Thursday, you need to get your photographs into me the Friday before they go, the last Thursday of the month. You need to tell me whose pattern it is, or even if it's your own pattern. You need to let me know what yarn you've used and what needles or hook size. You can crochet them, knit them, as long as they are handmade, guys. You're welcome. And then I will give you a shout out. Then I'll put a link to your channel in the description box, so that's another little shout out for you. And it's all about helping each other, guys. That's what this is all about. And my mission for next, should I choose to accept it, is to get as many people knitting or crocheting socks. And I've got I've been asked about a crochet sock tutorial, and I'll be working on that over the holiday season. Things are still up in the air with my dad. Obviously he's demising, and I don't know when the Lord will come and take his hand and take him home. It could be, you know, next week, it could be next year. I have no idea. And I just got to work my schedule around visiting my dad every day. So please bear with me, guys. I will get this crochet sock tutorial out there as promised. And you know I always keep my promises as much as I possibly can. So thank you all so very much, guys, for all your prayers, for all your well wishes. As you can imagine, both Rick and I are absolutely mentally, physically and emotionally exhausted at this time. And take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye bye for now.